Here we are with a quick demonstration of the Nuova Simonelli 2 group. Down here, you got your main power switch. You got your gauges, your water level indicator. Here you got your power indicator. This one is your refill indicator. This one does your coffee warmer. That one your hot water heat, or hot water. Your left steamer. You got your shot selections. Then you got your right group shot selections. And then your right steamer. To program each side, push the stop and the button right next to it. You can see all the lights blinking. One by one you can do the amount of water, the amount of espresso that you want. When you're done, hit stop and you're all ready to go. If you have any questions, give us a call, 817-640-3131. Thank you.